Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your traction control in your 2020 Acura ILX A-Spec edition. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the left side of the steering wheel. And once we get to the left side of the steering wheel, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the traction control button right here. What you're going to do is just press on it. Currently it is off right now because I turned it off earlier, but basically what you just do, you just press on it, and then this indication right here should show you that the traction control is indeed off. So basically what the traction control is for example, if you are in a condition where your car is losing traction, like rain or other surfaces such as that, and your wheels are losing traction, what traction control will do to you is it's going to assist you into matching the road surface condition, giving you more grip on the road. And I would only suggest turning off traction control if you are on the racetrack or somewhere off-road. And yeah, this is it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.